nice to be camping. Let's set up our supplies. Let's set up our tent too. Dun dun. Wow, that was fast. This is getting so easy. That was the camp wing. I better put the wood in. Okay. Tim, do you have the lighter? Yeah. Okay, then light it on. Boom. Good job, Tim. Thanks. I'm gonna go get my computer. It's getting dark out. We better go to sleep. I'm gonna go get my computer. Dad, why do you always have to work? Because, son. Now you stay here and probably go to sleep or something. Okay. Oh, man, it's time for bed. I'm super tired. Yeah, let's go. Oh. Oh, what the? What the? Papa Nicholas? What was that? Ah! What's that? Chewbacca? Who's this guy? What are you doing? I have nothing to do. Ah! Ah! Subscribe for more videos.